Welcome to Daily Tutorials. This video is going to be all about the anchor tag, which is the main way of navigation. So let's get started. First, I'm going to put an A, and for the attribute href, we're going to put news.html, which is a file I've created in the same folder at the index.html. And we're going to add another anchor tag, so A, and here in the href attribute, we're going to put the official link to the FIFA website. Now, here inside the first anchor tag, we're gonna put the news link. Inside the second anchor tag, we're gonna put FIFA. Now, let's check our browser. Let's click on the first link. Here's our news page. Now let's go back. Now let's check the FIFA website. And here's our FIFA website. There is another function for the anchor tag. Let's put a paragraph here. Let's put random text. Let's put like 1,000 words. And in the end, we're gonna add an anchor tag. But this time the anchor tag is gonna bring us to the top of the page. Now, let's put number sign here. And let's add up here. Now, let's check it in the browser. Here is our page. Let's go to the bottom. And here is our up. Now let's click. And here it gets us to the top of the page. Now, there is more things we can check for the anchor tag. For example, instead of this, we can put an H1. Let's call it the news page. And instead of FIFA, we can add an image. So and here for the source attribute, I actually have a picture in the same folder. So FIFA.png. Now let's check it into the browser. Here I have the FIFA picture. I'm gonna click on it. And it leads us to the FIFA website. Now let's go back. Here's our H1. And this is our news page. One last thing we can add for the anchor tag is the target attribute. Target attribute underscore blank. And this is used in case you want your link to be opened in a new tab. Now let's check the browser. Here our link, the new page, the news page, and it's open in a new tab. You can see it like it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.